Alright, welcome to this month's end of the month trade review on our currency, Apex Currency Copy Trading Index. Remember, in Apex Invest, we are heavy on the stock market. Our own idea is you invest in businesses, solid businesses around the world through the stock market, then you can trade currency markets to express your view about what is happening in one country against the other. So in the currency market, it is country against country. So the idea we use is, we know it will be very difficult for you to do it. It is almost difficult. It is one of the most difficult things to do. So what we do is, in our firm, we decided to launch an open fund, which is almost equal to a almost equal to a mutual fund. So we are professionals, we now trade on your behalf, which is our currency trading index. They trade on your behalf and distribute profits weekly. So here is for September. So it has been open for a while, for a very long time, but not for the public actually, but we have been testing it, trying to streamline it in such a way that people that have small capital can take advantage. If you have big capital too, there is a way to plug you in so that it can fit and accommodate everybody out there. So here is the detail of the fund. Historically, the return of the fund on the average, it can outperform this, but historically the return is 36%. Annualized. Then this platform, the broker we are using, who is in charge of your KYC, your fund and everything, they now distribute the returns on a weekly basis. Now, the market of focus is strictly on currency. Then the strategy, the idea we use is macroeconomic data. Then once you weigh two countries macroeconomic wise, both their fiscal policy, their monetary policy, and all the nuance around it, once we found a divergence between country A and country B, then we now go to the technical charts and look for entries to express that bias. Then, in a worst case scenario, what happens to your fund? You can't lose more than 24%, almost like 1/4 of your investment. Once your fund gets to that level, you will stop trading, but it has not happened. But this is just to tell you that the risk, the worst case scenario, so that you just bear it in mind, but it has never happened before at our firm. Then we recommend that you invest with minimum of $500. Then maximum is unlimited. When setting up your account, just like you are seeing this video, you shoot us an inbox. We help you guys, even if you have $1 million, there is a way to set it to accommodate and fit in here. So the minimum we recommend, even though if you look at here now, you see that the minimum here is this. So we recommend, in order to stay through the volatility of the markets, we recommend you fund this, and while setting it up, our team will help you to allocate it. There is what we call fund allocation under here, so it will fit in very well. But we try as much as possible to protect your capital. That is why we use proper risk management, and that is why we have been here for a while. So for the months, 1 month's performance, you can look it up here and see, using the minimum risk here. This is the percentage, the dollar worth of the return, using the minimum risk though, and this is the loss. So if you do the math, you see that it is overly in a positive. That is why you are seeing over 30-something% because of the small fund though here. Then these are some of the trades that was taken for the month. So we took an average of, we took 5 trades. We took 5 trades. So let's start from when the month started. We took 5 trades this September. So this is September. Yeah, this is September. So the first trade for the month was taken on the 10th. To tell you that research can be happening in the firm, just waiting for opportunities to align, which we try selling, because there was a divergence macroeconomic between the UK and the United States. So we sold and we returned profit on this. Then we had another opportunity to sell again, which turned out to be on a negative side. So this is the only loss we took. Then the next trade, forget about this withdrawal, it is just trying to show you the liquidity of the fund. Now, the next trade came up on, remember after the the 10th trade. The next trade came up on 15th, just to show you that opportunities are not always there from the way we trade, but once it is there, we capitalize on it. Then after the 15th, the next trade came on the 22, which is Euro Swiss. We tried to buy it, we held it for days due to the risk volatility in the market. So Euro is overly strong, like this Swiss franc is overly strong. So we decided to move. We are not the one that control the market. We decided to move few pips. When the time comes for us to close, we have to close after 5 days, 7 hours. So this was what it was. Then the next trade now came, the next opportunity now came on 24th, which is on GBP AU, that's UK against Australia. So this is even for 1 hour, you see the return. So market is just dynamic. So it's just take advantage of the opportunities when you see it, and you're not the one to control the market. That's why you use proper risk management. Then the last trade we took now was on yesterday, which is 29th, and the same euro, another opportunity come to buy Euro Swiss again. It moved better off now this time around compared to the previous one. So if you do the math, you see that it is 5 trade, 1 win, 1 loss, and 4 wins. So that is it. So if you want to copy the trade, simply use the link down below from your account. Send us message on X or WhatsApp if you are seeing the link down below, and our team will guide you so you get started. As you're investing in stock, you are having exposure to the currency markets. We are professionals. We do the research and trade for you. That is it. Catch you and wishing you a profitable October. Peace. Follow us on X. Remember to get a hang of follow us on X. Is a must to follow us on X. You're on X every day. Tell you about the market, the stock market, the state of the economy. So it's a must you follow us on X. All the links is in the description down below. Peace out.